This is the Walbro 450. I'm gonna put this in the stock. This is called a bucket. I'm gonna put it in here. Alright, so I fucked up the stock plastic hose. I'm gonna use some fuel grade braided rubber hose and just rig it up. It's gonna work, don't worry. It's gonna be.
What you got there, Bo?
Huh? A fucking monster creation. Looks like shit, but it's gonna work. Yeah, I got you. Now, what goes where? That's the question.
Is that right?
I don't know.
All right, let's turn on the truck.
I'll have to find out though. I could turn it on, huh? And try it out like this.
Can you do it like that?
Me?
Yeah.
See if you can hear it when I run it. So with the 450 fuel pump, it's running super rich. It's basically pegging out my AFR at 10. Check this out. I mean, it pulls like no other, but it's like 10.5 to 10 in the AFR. I'm data logging right now. So definitely the extra volume of the fuel pump is helping supply the injectors. I'm gonna be able to lower my fuel cells in the tune, and I'm gonna have more room to make more power. So this bigger fuel pump is gonna help a lot. So I'm gonna have to go into the tune, do a couple pulls, and kind of readjust some things. Part throttle is okay. It's just full throttle. I've got too much fuel now, which isn't a bad thing. Let's do a pull to red line. So rich that it really kind of stops pulling in the high RPMs. I really got to take out some fuel and get this AFR looking good. Good morning, guys. Saturday morning. I'm going to start the day off by doing some tuning. I was checking the data logs and I was about, I don't know, 12, 13% too rich, too much fuel. So I took out 10%, and then I'm gonna make a pull on the way to work, check the AFR, and make some fine adjustments. See if our AFR is looking any better this morning. Still very, very rich. I need to take out more fuel, more fuel. All right, I've taken out more fuel. I'm looking for AFRs in the 11s. Anything in the 10s is just too rich on pump gas. So I'm trying to get closer and closer to 11.5. Anything in the 11s, low 11s would be better than what it has been. So let's see where I'm at. A lot better. I saw 11s pretty much everywhere except close to red line. Close to red line, it was starting to dip down to low 10s. So I'm making progress. have to take out more fuel on the top end.
Please don't blow up. Don't do it.
Alright, here we go. God, it's good. Before the AFR was like maxed out rich, like all the way, and now it's in the 11s. It's good. Some small tweaks could be made, but this is be free.
Dude, can you turn on the AC? Goddamn.
Man,
It's fucking hot in
fucking
here.
takes away power.
Fuck. It's fucking like 95 degrees in this motherfucker, dude. Come
Hell
on,
yeah.
man.
Okay, alright, here, you get.
I get some of it. Ah, hell yeah.
I got you.
Just floor it with the AC. Like, it's not gonna fucking hurt it.
It turns off anyway. I'm pretty sure when I floor it, the AC just turns off.
What the fuck are we looking at?
It's secret.
Oh shit, love it.
If it could, you would do it.
It only goes to 100. What the fuck?
Oh, I can bury that speed. Don't worry
Oh
about that.
shit.
Alright, I'm gonna end up in the back of that car up there.
Hell yeah.
Let's go.
Driving normal.
Oh! Dude, it fucking moves. Oh, shit. Gotta make it faster though, so I don't know.
You're gonna blow this bitch up.
I am gonna blow it up. That should chill.
Jesus.